What's up guys, this video is going to be about Goto mode in Helix, and you can launch Goto mode by pressing G. And now you can see this very nice menu here, and let me show you a few things you can do here. For example, you can press GG to go to the top of the file that you are in, and GE will go to the end, so you can remember that with E stands for end. Then you can do GL to go to the end of the line and GH to go to the beginning of the line. And then there's also GS, which moves to the first non-blank character in the line. So let me just show you how that works. So if I press GH here, I will go to the beginning of the line, but if I want to get to the first word here, I can use GS. You can also go to a specific line number by either just typing the line number. For example, let me type 12 here, and then you can press Shift G and you will go to that line number. And alternatively, you can also type G, the line number you want, let's say 15, and then G again, and then you will go to that line number. Then there's also GW. This is basically a kind of jump mode. It's very cool. Just press GW, and now as you can see, every word now has 2 letters at the beginning of it. And if you type those letters, you will immediately jump to that word. So if I want to jump to that first word on line number 11, I can type BT, and I will just go there and then immediately select that word. And if I do GW again, I can, let's say I want to go to the first word in the line number 21, I can type CA, and I will just jump there. So this is pretty cool. There's also GF, and you can use that to go to a file. So if you have a file path in the file that you are currently in, then you can use that to basically enter that file. So now I've created this file path here. This is not proper Python, of course, but it doesn't really matter to show you this. And now I can just go over this file path here and type GF, and then I will be in this file. Oh, and by the way, if you want to go back, you can use Ctrl-o. You can remember that with out, and Ctrl-i will go in again. So in, out, in, out. So if you have an LSP installed, you can also use other functionality in Goto mode. For example, you can go to, let's say I want to go to where this is defined. I can just press GD to go to the definition of this variable here, and I will just immediately jump there. And there's other functionality here. For example, you can also go to declaration, go to type definition, go to references, and go to implementation. You can also go to the next or the previous buffer, but I will show you that in a different tutorial when I talk about buffers later. And you can also press G dot to go to your last modification, whatever you changed last in this file that you are in. So I think that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.